How to turn on notification on Airbnb. Are you guys facing issues to turn on notification on Airbnb app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn on notification on Airbnb app, first of all, open Airbnb application. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for profile icon. Just simply tap on it. Now click on account settings. After you click on account settings, you can see this option for notifications. Tap on notifications. After you click on notifications, you will be able to view multiple options over here. If you want to get news and programs from Airbnb app, then just simply tap on edit and click on, or just simply toggle on all these options. After you toggle it, you will be able to get information or notification from Airbnb. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna turn on notification from Airbnb. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.